Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943, was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist, who is best known for his pioneering work in the development of alternating current AC electrical systems. Tesla's life and inventions made him one of the most influential and visionary figures in science and technology. Though often overshadowed in his lifetime by other figures like Thomas Edison, Tesla's innovations and ideas have had a lasting impact on modern technology. Here's an overview of his life and some of his greatest inventions. Early life and education, birth and background. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856 in Smiljan, a village in the Austrian Empire, now part of Croatia. His father, Milutin Tesla, was a writer and a priest, while his mother, Georgina Đuka Tesla, was an inventor in her own right, creating household appliances. Education. Tesla attended the Technical University of Graz and later the University of Prague, though he did not complete his degree. He was particularly interested in electrical engineering and mechanics, showing early signs of brilliance in mathematics and physics. Early career and move to America. Work in Europe. Tesla began his career working for the Central Telegraph Office in Budapest and then moved to Paris to work for the Continental Edison Company. It was during this time that Tesla's fascination with electricity and its potential began to take shape. Emigration to the United States. In 1884, Tesla moved to the United States, arriving with little money but a wealth of ideas. He began working with Thomas Edison in New York, but the two soon parted ways due to differing approaches to electrical power systems. Edison was a proponent of direct current DC, while Tesla was a staunch advocate for alternating current AC. Tesla's greatest inventions and contributions: alternating current AC system. Tesla's most significant contribution to modern electrical engineering is his development of the alternating current AC system. While Edison promoted direct current, Tesla believed AC was more efficient for transmitting electricity over long distances. Tesla's AC motor and transformer were crucial innovations that led to the widespread adoption of AC power systems, which are still used today for electrical distribution. The Battle of Currents. Tesla's AC system eventually triumphed over Edison's DC system in what became known as the War of Currents. Tesla's AC system was adopted in 1893 for the Chicago World's Fair and later used to power the first large-scale hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls in 1895. This was a defining moment in the electrification of the world. Tesla coil, 1891. One of Tesla's most famous inventions is the Tesla coil, a high-voltage transformer that could generate high-frequency alternating current. The Tesla coil became a fundamental device for wireless transmission of electricity and played a significant role in later developments of radio transmission. It is also a striking visual symbol of Tesla's work, often seen in demonstrations producing dramatic electrical arcs. Wireless transmission of power. Tesla envisioned a world in which electricity could be transmitted wirelessly without the need for power lines. In the early 20th century, he began work on his Wardenclyffe Tower project, which aimed to broadcast electrical energy through the Earth's atmosphere. While this dream of global wireless power was never fully realized due to financial difficulties, Tesla's theories on wireless energy transmission continue to influence modern-day research in fields like wireless charging and energy transmission. Induction motor, 1887. Tesla developed the induction motor, a type of electric motor powered by alternating current. This motor was more efficient and reliable than previous designs and became widely used in industrial machinery, household appliances, and other electrical devices. It laid the groundwork for much of the modern electrical machinery we use today. Radio and remote control. Tesla was a pioneer in the development of radio waves. In 1893, he demonstrated the first successful transmission of a radio signal in St. Louis. Though Guglielmo Marconi is often credited with the invention of radio, Tesla's work in wireless communication predated Marconi's developments, and Tesla was awarded a patent for the invention of the radio in 1900. Remote control. Tesla also invented the first remote control device in 1898, using a small boat as a demonstration platform. His work on remote control would later influence the development of remote devices in communication, military technology, and consumer electronics. X-rays and early imaging. Tesla experimented with X-rays in the late 19th century, independently discovering the phenomenon before Wilhelm Röntgen. Tesla's work with high-voltage equipment led him to investigate the effects of X-rays, and he produced some of the earliest X-ray images using his own apparatus. He is credited with contributing to the early understanding of X-ray technology, although he did not pursue it extensively. Fluorescent lighting. Tesla was also a key figure in the development of fluorescent lighting. He experimented with various forms of light and even demonstrated wireless lighting. Tesla's work with high-voltage coils and electrical discharges laid the foundation for future developments in lighting technology. Turbine engine. Tesla worked on a design for a bladeless turbine engine that was highly efficient, but he was unable to find financial backers for its commercial production. The Tesla turbine uses smooth discs rather than blades and is based on principles of fluid dynamics. Later life and challenges. Financial difficulties. Despite his many groundbreaking inventions, Tesla struggled financially throughout his life. He was never able to profit substantially from his ideas, and many of his ambitious projects, like the Wardenclyffe Tower, were hindered by lack of funds and support. Rivalry with Edison. Tesla's relationship with Thomas Edison was famously antagonistic. Edison, who was a staunch advocate of DC power, often ridiculed Tesla's AC system. Tesla, in turn, criticized Edison's business practices and his stubbornness in adopting more efficient technologies. Later years. In his later years, Tesla became more eccentric and withdrawn. He lived in relative obscurity, often plagued by financial problems and the loss of his beloved projects. Despite his genius, Tesla was not able to fully realize many of his grand ideas during his lifetime. Death. Nikola Tesla died on January 7, 1943, in New York City at the age of 86. He passed away in relative obscurity, impoverished and largely unrecognized for his contributions to science and technology. Legacy and recognition. Posthumous fame. After his death, Tesla's legacy grew steadily. His innovations, especially in the fields of electricity, wireless communication, and electromagnetism, became more widely acknowledged. He is now regarded as one of the greatest inventors and visionaries in history. The Tesla unit. In recognition of his contributions to electrical engineering, the unit of magnetic flux density, the Tesla T, was named after him in 1960. Tesla Motors. In the 21st century, the electric car company Tesla, Inc., founded by Elon Musk, was named in honor of Tesla's revolutionary work in electricity and power systems. Conclusion. Nikola Tesla's inventions and ideas were far ahead of his time. His work on alternating current, wireless communication, and numerous other electrical technologies laid the groundwork for the modern world. Despite facing numerous challenges, including financial difficulties and opposition from powerful figures like Edison, Tesla's visionary work has left an indelible mark on science, engineering, and technology. Today, Tesla is celebrated as one of the most important and fascinating inventors in history.